Hello and welcome to Happy Vending. I'm Bill, and today I'm going to tell you why I need to install this little black piece of plastic in this Royal G3 machine. Stay tuned.
Happy Vending.
So these little pieces of black plastic are called the pivot paws, and what they do in these Royal G3 soda machines is they stop the pivots, which are the like rotors that drop the products down, from rolling backwards. There's 12 pivots in these G3 machines. These are the pivots, and the pivot paws are located right here, and they go horizontally into these little teeth on the pivots, and they stop it from rolling counterclockwise, which could cause it to jam or double bend. Now the pivot paw on my Coke selection on this machine is actually broken, and you can see it over here, what's left of it. It's just hanging down, and it's not going horizontally to stop this from turning counterclockwise. Now I haven't been getting really many jams on this column, but it could happen. So to be proactive, I'm going to replace that little pivot paw. I've let this column run down, so there's only a couple Cokes in there. So I'm just going to pull them out and put them in the back column. So you can see without this little pivot paw, this pivot has some play in it. It should be pulled and only go clockwise. It shouldn't turn counterclockwise. If I pull on this, I can spin it, but you don't want to be able to go backwards on it. So what do we have to do? You can make out the rod that the pivot paw is on has a spring on it. So in order to get this little piece off, I have to pry off this spring. I'm just going to come in here with a small screwdriver and pry this off. There we go. Now I can pry this pivot paw straight off. So here's the broken pivot paw, and I actually found the other end of it laying in the machine. And here is the new pivot paw. If you need to order this part, it's part number 915188. I ordered 6 of them right from Royal. Whenever you need a part like this, they're really not that expensive. They're usually only a couple bucks, so it's always best to order a lot of extras so that you're ready next time this problem happens to you. You can also get this from some other vending companies, but I got it direct from Royal. The pivot paw goes like this, the smooth side against the machine. These 6 columns in the front are easy to get to. If it were broken in the back, this would be a much harder job, and it would be hard for you to see it. I'm gonna stick the pivot paw horizontally into the pivot. And then I'm gonna push it onto that little metal rod. And push it all the way back. It's all the way back now. And now with the pivot paw in there, this pivot won't go beyond where that black pivot paw digs into these little teeth. It will go forward, but it won't roll backwards, and that's what it does. Now, getting the pivot paw on the rod is easy. The hard part is attaching the spring onto the rod and attaching it to the back of the pivot release, which is this piece, which needs to be spring loaded. I'm going to first attach the spring to the back end of this, and then pull it with the screwdriver onto that rod. It's easier for you to see the back of the pivot release from the top. See that little hook? That's where you have to get the spring. So I'm going to drop it on that. You can sort of see the spring now on that little hook. And now I have to pull the spring onto that metal rod. I'm going to get in here with this little screwdriver and pull it. There we go. Just pulled it right on with the screwdriver. And now when the pawl on the chain pulls on this release, it will go like that, but the pivot pawl won't let this roll backwards and stop it from jamming or double bending. I'm going to put some product in there and we'll watch it bend. Perfect. And the pivot is nice and firm. Let's do another test. Let's do another test. And one more for good measure. Hit my phone. Well, there you go, a quick and inexpensive repair, but an important repair on this Royal G3 machine. If you want to see more vending content like this, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. And as always, happy vending.